All right, y'all. It's Sunday morning. We are degreasing the frame, getting the frame all degreased before I take off the rear end, take off all the suspension off. Not too worried about the arms and all the springs and all that. I have all new springs, new shocks, but the arms are gonna get powder coated. A lot of the suspension, steering linkage is all gonna get powder coated, but the whole frame's gonna get. I'm gonna wire brush it and just put some Pore 15 all over it. Trailing arms are gonna get powder coated. Rear end's gonna get powder coated. Just the frame's gonna get painted. I pulled this in last night. It's hot. Put it up on jack stands. And this morning I woke up not too early. Had to get some rest in. Just to start degreasing. Put some degreaser in there. And yeah. Switch this over to fucking low budget fucking pressure washer. There you go. Let's do it. Pretty much that's it. I'll finish up the back right now. Just wanted to make a quick little vid. The transmission mount, I got a Tinworks LS mount, transmission mount with the holes in it, so that I can run the exhaust. And then on this one, I was gonna buy a new one, but I have a hole saw, and I'm just gonna make a hole through there, keep that. I have some Tinworks LS motor mounts as well. Yeah, as soon as I'm done with this, pull it back to the lift and start tearing down this suspension. All right, y'all. We're back on the C10 build. All right, we doing a little sandblasting, aka the poor man sandblast. On the frame, guys. It's hot out here, sunny Southern California. It's about 92 degrees right now, 11 o'clock in the morning. But we're doing some damage. I had to bring out the Coleman canopy to get this going. We got a little smoky in the background. But pretty much we're grinding along. Sorry, scraping and wire brushing. And we got this little other contraption. Where's that? Oh, here it goes. We got this little thingamajig. Keep helping us out. But pretty much just all done. We just need to finish up all the bottom in here. We just took a little water break. Hell yeah, summertime fun. I just had to lift it up. That's the benefit of having a lift. You lift that shit up as high as you want, and you just get all the bottom, scrape all the bottom off. So I need to take off these back springs. But I had to get some kind of work in before it got super hot. After this, we're gonna take a break, jump in the pool. clean up. We're continuing on the frame. We got the frame lifted up just so I'm not bending over. Pretty much everything is wire brushed up here in the front. I'm gonna give it one more last degrease and final touch-ups before I paint it. I want to do that pour 15, that 6-pack kit. I think I got it on Amazon. But before that, I went ahead and started drilling out the exhaust cutouts, so you could run the exhaust straight through here. You know, pretty much I just got a 3-inch hole saw on my Milwaukee drill, and yeah, pretty much instead of going the exhaust coming out from the transmission mount here, and it's gonna have, I have one of those tin works, and it has a hole cutout, the cutout for the exhaust here. It's gonna run through straight and it's gonna go through here instead of going under, which gives you more ground clearance if you're gonna slam it or whatever. I don't think we're gonna slam it. I just want it to make sure the exhaust doesn't go down, maybe hit rocks or whatever. But yeah, pretty much I just centered it from the top to the bottom, and then from here I went over from this edge, I think like to the center, maybe like I don't know, maybe like a ½ inch, and that was my starting drill bit. And then I put the hole saw through it, and then that guides me, and pretty much that's the final. I gotta clean it up still. I have one of those just to clean up the burrs. I don't want to cut anything. And yeah, pretty much finished sanding the rest of this. It's hot. I brought out the canopy out. It's fucking hot out here, but we're gonna continue with this. Finish these 2 holes today, clean them up, hopefully finish today. If not today, tonight I'm gonna bring out the spotlights and just keep working at it. So tomorrow morning I think I want to get it painted. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Get back to work. I love having the lift though. It's, you're not on your back, you're not bending over. I bring it up to whatever level I want, and I go from there, man. Good shit. Stay tuned with the C10 build. Look at those cutouts though. Awesome. Focus. So pretty much did a quick wire brush through the whole frame. Excuse me. Just anything that's loose, any bad surface rust, I'm gonna get to it. And then these frames come with their frame bin snapped here, and I didn't know this, but it's under the cap as well. Same number. Like I said, there's a California truck out of built in Fremont, California, but pretty much it's a solid truck, man. Did all the wiring brush during the afternoon because it's fucking hot during the day. Finished up the exhaust cutouts, well, pass-throughs, I guess if you want to call them. Save your money. They sell that piece, it's like 150 bucks, but you gotta cut off these rivets and all that. All you gotta do is make 2 holes and you're good, or torch them, but I think it looks better. Nice circles.